How to use coins on AliExpress. AliExpress coins are part of their reward system, allowing you to save money on purchases by earning and redeeming coins. So, here is how to use them effectively. Earn coins. Log into your AliExpress account daily via the app to collect coins. Participate in app tasks like adding items to your cart or playing games to earn extra coins. And some promotions award coins when you place an order. Open the AliExpress app, go to your coin center, then navigate to the coin redemption section to change your coins for store coupons, select coupons, choose the desired coupon and confirm the redemption. After selecting your items and proceeding to checkout, apply any redeemed coupons if they meet the minimum spend requirement. Coins cannot be directly used as payment but are converted into coupons or discounts. So that is it. Coins are a fun way to save extra on your AliExpress shopping, especially if you use the app regularly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.